Hello class 6, welcome to Ideal Classroom. This video has been specially made to cover exercise 3.1 of our NCERT book. So let's begin. Before beginning the exercise, here are some points to remember. Question number 1, write all the factors of the following numbers. We know about factors. What is factor? A factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. So here A part is 24. First we have to see 24 is divisible by which number. So here we will make pairs in such a way that when we multiply these two numbers we get 24. So first pair is 1 and 24 multiply 24. It means 1 and 24 are factors of 24. Now coming to next 12 into 12. 24. Third pair is 3 into 8 24. Next one is 4 into 6 24. So here we can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24 are factors of 24. So answer is factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Here we will write the numbers in ascending order. B part is 15. So again we will make some pairs. 1 into 15, 15. 1 and 15 are factors of 15. Next one is 3 into 5, 15. So 1, 3, 5, 15 are factors of 15. Factors of 15. And 15 we have 1, 3, 5, 15. Answer. We always arrange the numbers in ascending order. C part is 21. Again we are going to make some pairs. 1 into 21, 21. 3 into 7, 21. Now there are only two pairs. 1, 3, 7, 21 are factors. So factors of 21, 1, 3, 7, 21. Answer. D part 27. Make some pair. 27. Find out in another table. 3 sevens are 3 nines are 27. So here 1, 3, 9 and 27 are factors of 27. So factors of 27. 1, 3, 9, 27. Answer. E part 12. 12 is divisible by 1 and 12. 2 6 are 12. 3 4 are 12. Any other pair? No. So 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are factors of 12. So these numbers are divisor of 12. Factors of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Here you can see that 1, 1 and the number itself are always factor of the given number. F part. F part is 20. So 1 into 20 is 20. 2 tens are 20. 4 5s are 20. So 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20 are factors of 20. Factors of 20 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. Answer. D part, 18. So 18, we are going to make pair. 1 18s are 18, 2 9s are 18, and 3 6s are 18. Fine. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18 are factors of 18. So factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. H part is 23. Here you can see that 23 is a prime number, and we all know that prime numbers have only two factors, 1 and the number itself. So we have only one pair. 1 into 23 is 23. So factors of 23, only two factors we have, 1 and 23. Answer. Last part is I. 36. Now making pair. 1 36, 2 18, 36, 3 12 36, and 4 9s are 36. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 12, 18 and 36 are factors of 36. Factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 12, 18, 36. Answer. Question number 2. Write first 5 multiples of the following numbers. Here A part is 5. Now we will write down table of 5 first. Here 5 ones are 5. Now 2, 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, and 5 5s are 25. So on. 5 10s are 50. So here in question we have to find out only first 5 multiples. First, second, third, fourth, 5. It means first 5 multiple of 5 is 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. So first 5 multiples of 5, 5, this is first multiple, 10, 15, 20, 25. Answer. B part is 8. Now again same procedure. First 5 multiple we will read the table of the 8. First 5 multiples of 8. First is 8, 16, 24, 32 and 40. Answer. So these questions are very easy. C part is 9. Again read out table. First 5 multiples of 9 are 9, 18, 27, 36 and 45. Answer. Question number 3. We have 2 columns and we have to match. So first we will go to the second column. See, multiple of 8. Here multiple of 8 means we have to read table of 8. So 8 2s are 16 here. So answer 3 will go with A. Now multiple of 7, table of 7, 7 2s are 14, then 21. So 35 will go there. C part is multiples of 17. Here we can see that in first column there is no number which is greater than 70. So 70 will not part of this column. Now coming to factor of 30. And here factor of 30 is 1 into 30, 30, 2 15s are 30 and 6 5s are 30. So these are factors of 30. We have to choose. Now we can see that 15. Yes, 15. 15 is factor of 30. So This will go with D part. Now come to factor of 50. Again table, 1 50s are 50, 2 25s are 50 and 10 5s are 50. We have to check which number is going to be here. Now 25, this 25. This 25 is factor of 50. This will go with this. F part is factor of 20. So we all know that every number has two factors, the one and the number itself. Here 20 and again 20 we can see here. It means factor of 20 is 20. So here 4 part will go with F. Question number 4, write all the multiples of 9 up to 100. So here we are starting with table of 9. So 9, 1s are 9, 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45 and so on. 6, 54, 7, 63, 8s are 72, next one 81, next 190, next one is 9 11s are 99. If we go to next level, we will cross 100. And in question, we have to write down up to 100 only. So, multiples of 9 are, first one is 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90 and last one is 99. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.